चैनल बिब्ला न्यूज़ के स्वागत है। हम पढ़ रहे हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड, जो कि एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। वर्नर थ्योरी ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड पढ़ेंगे। अल्फ्रेड वर्नर वाज ए सीरीज कमिस्ट बाय फर्स्ट फैमिली। पहले पोस्टुलेट पढ़ेंगे। पोस्टुलेट क्या होता है? इन कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन मेटल्स सो टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिंकेज वैलेंसी प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. The primary valency are normally ionizable and are satisfied by negative ion. The secondary valency are non-ionizable. They are satisfied by neutral molecules negative ion. The secondary valence is equal to the coordinate number and the end is fixed for a metal. The ion groups fourth point bound by secondary linkages to the metal have characteristic spatial arrangement corresponding to different coordination compound in modern forms such as spatial and archival coordination of polyhedra. The species within the square bracket are coordination entities are complexes and the ions outside the bracket are called counter ions. Difference between a double salt and a complex. Both double salt and a complex are formed by combination of two or more compounds in stoichiometry. Of two or more, however, they differ in the fact that double salt such as carnal and KG3 element is equal to 6s2 more salt FeSO4 dot NH4 whole twice SO4 dot 6s2 potassium KL SO4 whole thrice dot 12s2 etc. dissociate into simple ions completely when dissolved in water. However, complex ions such as efficiency or K4 efficiency do not dissociate into Fe2 plus ion and Cn minus ion. Coordination entity. A coordination entity constitutes a central metal atom or ion bonded to a fixed number of ions or molecules. Is a coordination, for example, CuCl3 and H3 whole thrice is a coordination entity in which the cobalt ion is surrounded by three ammonia molecules and three chloride ion. Other examples are NiCO4, Pt, platinum chloride, nitrogen, ferrous cyanide, cobalt nitrate. Central में atom ion क्या होता है? In the coordination entity, the atom ion are to which the fixed number of ion groups are bound in a different geometrical arrangement around it is called the central metal ion. For example, NiCl2 H2O का whole 4, COCl NH3 का whole thrice 2 plus and CN5 6 का whole thrice में RNi2 plus CO3 plus and respectively ligand. The ion are molecule bound to the central metal and in the coordination entity are called ligands. When a ligand is bound to a metal surface through a single donor atom as with Cl, chlorine, water, pani, hava, or NH3, the ligand is said to be unidentate. When the ligand can bind through two donor atoms are in ethane 1,2-diamine or C2O4 auxiliary the present in the single ligand is NCH2 NH2 का whole thrice the ligand is said to be polydentate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion EDTA is an important hexadentate ligand. It can bind through 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen to a central metal atom. When a di or polydentate ligand uses its 2 or more donor atom to bind a single metal ion, it is said to be chelate. And the number of ligating groups is called denticity of ligand. Some complexes called chelate complex tend to be more stable than similar complexes containing indented ligands for region. Ligands which can ligate through two different atoms is called ambidentate ligand. Example of such ligand are NO2 and SCN. Important है दोस्तों ये. NO2 can be coordinated through oxygen or through nitrogen or oxygen to a central metal atom. Similarly, SCN ion can coordinate through sulfur of nitrogen. Coordination number क्या होता है? Coordination number of metal ion in a complex can be defined as number of ligand donor atoms to which the metal is directly bonded. For example, complex and PtCl6 whole 2 minus NiNH3 whole price whole का 4 2 plus oxidation state. The coordination number of Pt and Ni are 6 and 4 respectively in the complex NFeC2O4 whole thrice 3 minus and COEN thrice 3 plus. The coordination entity of both Fe and CO is 6 because C2O4 2 minus and then ethane 1,2-diamine are bidentate ligand. Coordination sphere का धंधा है. Central atom ion and the ligands attached to each are enclosed in a square bracket and is collectively termed as coordination sphere. The ionizable groups are written outside the bracket and they are called counter ions. For example, in the complex K4 FeCN6, the coordination sphere is FeCN6 and the counter ion is K+. Coordination polyhedron क्या होता है? This is a special arrangement of the ligand atoms which are directly attached to the central metal defines a coordination polyhedra about the central atom. The most common coordination polyhedra are polyoctahedral, squareplanal, and the tetrahedral. For example, CONS3 का whole 6 3 plus is a octahedral, and CU4 is a tetrahedral, and PTCl4 whole is a squareplanal. So the shape of different coordination polyhedra: octahedral, tetrahedral, squareplanal, trigonal, bipyramidal, squarepyramidal. Oxidation number of central atoms. The oxidation number of central metal in a complex may be defined as the charge it would carry if all the ligands are removed along with, with the electron pairs that are shared with the central atom. Homolytic and heterolytic complex. A complex in which a metal is bound to only one kind of donor group are known as homolytic. Complexes in which a metal is bound to more than one kind of donor group are known as heterolytic complex. Nomenclature of coordination compound. Formulas and name adapted for coordination entities are based on the recommendation of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry (IUPAC). Formula of mononuclear coordination entity. For the formula of coordination is a shorthand tool used to provide basic information about the constitution of the compound in a concise and convenient manner. First, the central metal is listed first. Second, the ligand are then listed in alphabetical order. The placement of ligand in list does not depend on its charge. Third, polydentate ligands are listed alphabetically. In case of abbreviated, the first letter of the abbreviation is used to determine the position of a ligand in the alphabetical order. Fourth is a formula for the entire coordination entity, whether charged or not. It is enclosed in square brackets. When ligands are polyatomic, their formula are enclosed in parentheses. Ligand abbreviations are also enclosed in parentheses. Fifth, there should be no space between the ligands and the metal within a coordination pair. Six, when the formula of coordination entity is to written without that of a counter ion, the charge indicated outside the square bracket has a right subscript with the number before the sign. The seventh क्या है? The charge of cation is balanced by the charge of anion. Naming of mononuclear coordination number. The cation is named first in both positively and negatively charged coordination entities. The ligands are named in the alphabetical order before the name of the central metal atom. Name of anionic ligand in O. Those of neutral and cationic ligand are the same except aqua for H2O, for anesthetic, harmonic for CO, and nitrosyl for NO. Prefixes mono, di, tri, etc. are used to indicate the number of the individual ligands in the coordination entity. When the names of the ligand include numerical prefixes, then the terms base tetracis are used. The ligand to which they refer being placed in parentheses. अगला पॉइंट क्या? ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट पर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ मेटल इन cation anion or neutral coordination entity is indicated by Roman numerals in parentheses. In the complex ion is a cation, the metal is named same as the element. For example, CO in a complex cation is called cobalt and Pt is called platinum. If the complex is an anion, the name of the metal atom ends with the suffix 8. For example, CO in a complex anion COSCN whole 4 to neon is cobalted. For other Latin names are used in the complex. The neutral complex molecule is named similar to that of the complex. On the following example illustrates the nomenclature for coordination compound. First, triamine triaquachromium. Third, oxygen chloride. Explanation: the complex ion is inside the square bracket which is a cation. The amine ligand are before the aqua ligands according to alphabetical order. Since there are 3 chloride ions in the compound, the charge on the complex must be +3. Since the compound is electrically neutral from the charge on the complex ion and the charge on the ligand, we can calculate the oxidation number of the metal. In this example, all the ligands are neutral. on neutral molecule, therefore the oxidation number of chromium must be the same as the change of complex ion plus 3. Trace ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt sulfate. The sulfate is encountered anion in this molecule, since it takes three sulfates to bond with two complex cations. The charge on each complex anion must be plus 3. Further, ethane 1,2-diamine is a neutral molecule, so the oxidation number of cobalt in the complex must be plus 3. Remember that you have indicated the number of cations and anions in the name of an ionic compound. आइसोमेरिज में इन कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड फर्स्ट स्टीरियो आइसोमेर के दो पार्ट होते हैं, ज्योमेट्रिकल ऑप्टिकल। दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर आइसोमेरिज, इसके चार पार्ट हैं, चार भागों में विभाजित किया, लिंकेज, कोऑर्डिनेट आइसोमेरिज, आयोनाइजेशन आइसोमेर, सॉल्वेट आइसोमेर। स्टीरियो आइसोमेर हैविंग द सेम केमिकल फार्मूला एंड केमिकल बॉन्ड बट दे आर डिफरेंट स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट structure have different bond. This type of isomerism arises geometric isomerism arises in the heterogeneous complexes due to possible geometric arrangement of the ligands. Important example of these are found with the coordination compounds in a square planar complex of formula X and L. The two ligands may be arranged adjacent to each other in a cis isomer are opposite to each other in the trans other square planar complex of type ABN are unidentate Ml2 and X2 which is Ml2 MX2L2 in which the two ligands CX may be oriented cis or trans to each other. If three donor atoms of the same ligand occupy adjacent position at the corners of an octahedral face, we have a facial and the active actor meridian. Optical isomer में क्या होता है? Optical isomer are the mirror images that cannot be superimposed on one. These are called as enantiomer. The molecules or ions that cannot be superimposed are called chiral. The two forms are called dextro and levo. Optical isomerism D2L. Linkage isomerism का linkage isomerism arises in the coordination compound containing ambidentate ligand. A simple example is provided for complexes containing cyanate ligand which may bind to the nitrogen to give NCS or sulfur to give MCS. Coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism arises from the interchange of ligands between cationic and anionic entities of different metal atoms present in the complex. Ionization isomerism. This form of isomerism arises when the counter ion in a complex site is itself a potential ligand and can displace a ligand which can then become the counter ion. An example is provided by ionization polyisomers CONH3 का whole SO4 का whole Br and CONH2. Solvate isomerism. The form of isomerism is known as hydrate isomerism, in which case water is involved as a solvent. This is similar to ionization. In isomerism, solvate element differ by whether or not a solvent molecule is directly bonded to the metal ion or merely present as free molecules. PVT bonding and coordination. The Werner was described the bonding features in coordination compound, but his theory could not answer basic questions like why only certain elements possess the remarkable property of forming coordination compound. दूसरा, why the bonds in coordination compound have directional property. Third, why coordination compound have characteristic magnetic and optical property. दोस्तों आज यहीं पर बस इतना ही, धन्यवाद, खत्म। चैनल को अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।